Next problem. If ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 is polar of 1 comma 1 with respect to the circle x square plus y square minus 2x plus 2y plus 1 is equal to 0 and HCF of ABC is equal to 1, then what is the value of a square plus b square plus c square? So given that of the point 1 comma 1 with respect to this circle is ax plus by plus c equal to 0. First we take the polar equation and we compare these two equations to get the values of ABC. And given that one condition is there, the condition is HCF of ABC is equal to 1. By using that condition, we can take the values of ABC. So first we take the given line. Given line is ax plus by plus c is equals to 0. Next we write the given equation, given circle equation. Given circle is x square plus y square minus 2x plus 2y plus 1 equals to 0. Next, polar of 1 comma 1 is s1 equal to 0. Equation of polar of 1 comma 1 with respect to the given circle s is equals to 0 is s1 equal to 0. Given circle is s equal to 0. So, s1 equal to 0 notation, x1 plus y1 minus of x plus x1, this is 2 by 2, minus of x plus x1 plus this is 2 by 2, 1 plus y1 plus 1 equal to 0. Now in this equation we take x1 y1 is equal to 1 comma 1, x into 1 plus y into 1 minus of x plus 1 plus y plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 0. That is x plus y minus x minus 1 plus y plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 0. That is y plus 5, 2y plus 1 equal to 0. This is equation 2. Already we have that ax plus by plus c equal to 0 is the equation of polar. That is equation 1. Equations 1 and 2 represent the same line. That is given that it is the equation of polar and we get the equation of polar as 2y plus 1 equal to 0. Therefore both of the equations represent the same polar line. Take the ratio of the coefficients, that is x quotient by x quotient. X quotient is a by x quotient. There is no x term in the second equation, so we take that value is equal to 0 is equal to y quotient by y quotient, b by 2 is equal to constant by constant, c by 1, and we take this value is equals to k, so k say within brackets. Now equating each value to k, that is a by 0 is equal to k, b by 2 is equals to k, and c by 1 is equal to k. That is a is equal to 0, b is equal to 2k, and c is equals to k. And given condition is already given that the HCF of ABC is equals to 1. That is HCF of ABC is equal to 1 means the highest common divisor of ABC is equal to 1. So here when we take k is equal to 1, then what we get, the value of a is equal to 0 and b is equal to 2 and c is equal to 1. So in this case clearly we have that the HCF of ABC is equals to 1. And if we take k is equal to 2, then what we get, a is equal to 0, b is equal to 2 into 2, 4 and c is equal to 2. So here 0, 4, 2 means the greatest common divisor of these three numbers is equal to 2. That is, if we take any number other than 1, then we won't get the HCF of ABC is equal to 1. Therefore, if k is equal to 1 only, k is equal to 1 is the only number which satisfies the ABC, which satisfies the condition that HCF of ABC is equal to 1. Therefore, k is equal to 1. So, if k is equal to 1 means the values of ABC are 0 to 1. Therefore, we want the value of a square, b square, c square. That is a square plus b square plus c square is equals to 0 plus 4 plus 1 and this is equal to 5. If the polars of the points on the circle x square plus y square is equal to a square with respect to the circle x square plus y square is equal to b square touches the circle x square plus y square is equal to z square, then prove that ABC are in GP. So here clearly three circles are given. The polar of the point on the circle, that is first we are taking one point on the circle, the polars of the points on the circle. Points on the circle means here first we take one equation of circle which is x square plus y square is equal to a square. This is the first equation, x square plus y square is equal to a square, and in this circle first we take one point p is equal to x1 y1. Okay, now if the polar of the point with respect to circle, now we are taking second circle which is x square plus y square is equal to b square. All circles are concentric circles since all the circles have a same center 0 0. Now this is the second circle. Second circle is x square plus y square is equal to b square. Now the polar of the point with respect to the circle. With respect to the circle, x square plus y square is equal to b square. Now this is the polar. This is the polar of P. The polar of P with respect to the circle, x square plus y square is equal to p square. Now what is the equation of this circle now? S1 equal to 0. Equation of polar means S1 equal to 0. So what is S1 equal to 0 notation to this circle? X1 plus y1 minus b square is equal to 0. Okay. If the polars of the points on the circle with respect to the circle touches the circle, x square plus y square is equal to c square. The polar of the circle touches the circle, x square plus y square is equal to c square. That is given that the polar touches the circle, x square plus y square is equal to c square. Now this is the circle, x square plus y square is equal to c square. X square plus y square is equal to c square. Now prove that ABC are in GP. Now we want to show that the numbers ABC are in GP. ABC are in GP means the condition is B square is equal to AC. Now we have to show that P square is equal to AC. So here we apply the condition for tangency to get this answer. What is the condition for tangency? R equals to D. What is R? Radius to the circle, x square plus y square is equal to c square, that is C. And what is D? D is equal to perpendicular distance from center to the polar of P. Polar of P means this line. Now coming to the solution. First to the solution. First we take the point Px1 y1 on the circle, x square plus y square is equal to a square. Let P is equal to x1 y1 be any point on the circle, x square plus y square is equal to a square. Be any point in the circle, x square plus y square is equal to a square, which implies what we get? We substitute the point in the circle equation, that is therefore x1 square plus y1 square is equal to a square. This is one condition. And next given that the polar of the point with respect to the circle. So next we find the polar of the point with respect to the circle, x square plus y square is equal to b square. The polar of Px1 y1 with respect to the circle, x square plus y square is equal to p square is with respect to the circle, x square plus y square is equal to p square is S1 is equal to 0. And what is S1 notation to this circle? X1 plus y1 minus b square equal to 0. The circle equation, x square plus y square is equal to c square, and here center is equal to 0, 0 and radius is equal to c. And also given that the line polar touches the circle, x square plus y square is equal to c square. So we apply the condition for tangency. What is condition for tangency? R is equal to D. Now we are applying that condition here. So condition for tangency is R is equals to D. Condition for tangency. R is equals to D. R means radius. Radius is equal to C. D means D is equal to perpendicular distance from center to the line. Center is equal to 0, 0. That is under modulus x into 0 plus y into 0 minus b square by square root of x quotient square plus y quotient square. X1 square plus y1 square. And c is equals to 0 plus 0 minus b square. Under modulus minus becomes plus b square by square root of x1 square plus y1 square. Already we have the value x1 square plus y1 square is equal to a square. Since the point x1 y1 lies on the circle, x square plus y square is equal to a square. So in place of x1 square plus y1 square, we take a square. A square, that is c is equal to b square by e. Then b square is equals to ac. B square is equal to ac means ABC are in GP. Therefore ABC are in geometric progression. That's all.